Filipino.
90% ng asin sa Pilipinas is imported. So do you want to put an excise tax on asin? Ang liit-liit ng value nun, ha? So how do you tax it? Upon removal? Nasa barko pa lang, bibilangin mo na, tapos cha-charge mo.
Sinabi nga ni Secretary Pedro na mas malaki pa yung administrative cost.
Yun ang problema ng junk food tax because we have an FDA which does not have a capacity to measure. O ngayon, ang sabi nila, paano naman yung Lucky Me? Kasi sa ibang... Well, ang reklamo daw, dahil meron niya mga chemical na pinagbabawal.
Aspartame.
Ewan ko kung ano. Ano ba tawag nila doon?
Sugar pa rin, aspartame.
Yung preservative. Kung tinax mo, you still allow it. So the only way to do it is prohibit it. So ibig sabihin, huwag mo papasukin. Because if you tax it, you allow it. Diba? So I have problems with these two taxes. The junk food tax and the sugar sweetened beverage tax.